Okay. What is the Hamilton principle? I have already told you. Hamilton principle means action must be stationary. Mean first derivative must be a zero. What is the action? Yes. Action क्या है? Yes. Yes. Action is line integral of the Lagrange. Action is line integral of Lagrange. Okay. And action will be always a functional of time, not function of time. And action will be functional of time. What is the meaning of functional? What is the difference between function and functional? Yes. क्या difference है? Yes. Function of time means function of time depending upon time. If there is a function of time, that will be changed with respect to time. Okay. But if there is a functional of time, function will be defined as f as a function of t. But functional of time, what is the meaning of functional of time? Functional of time means independent from the time. That will be not a split function of the time, but time will be used as a dummy variable. Okay. Functional of time means not function of split function of time, but time will be used as dummy variable. And what is the dummy variable? I have already explained in the lecture about the dummy indices and dummy variables and free indices and free variable. Dummy variable means that will be integrated with respect to that variable. Okay. If that is integrating, the result will be always independent from the integrand. I have already explained. I think आपको किसी ने explain नहीं किया होगा ये बात है क्या? So मैं ये expect करता हूँ mostly किसी ने है क्या? हाँ ठीक है. So that will be dummy variable. That will be okay. So gradation so action which is functional को represent करते हैं square bracket से. Functional always representing by the square bracket. It is functional of time. Lagrangian is always function of. I have already. What is the Lagrangian? Lagrangian is the scalar quantity. You must know the definition. Lagrangian must be a scalar quantity. Means if you change the variable, it must not affect. Okay. Lagrangian is independent from all the type of transformation. Okay. So Lagrangian must be a scalar quantity. Means it must be invariant, and it must be a function of position and velocity, and the action will be the line integral of the Lagrangian. Okay. And the result will be, action will be independent from the time. So Hamilton principle क्या हुआ? Action must be stationary. This action, that means change change in action must be 0. What is the meaning of this? The change in action must be a 0. Or you may say that this is true, or you may say that the line integral of the that is 0. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, that is 0. So this is action. Okay. This is a definition of action, and this is the definition of oh, sorry. I must write the change in this. No, that is not equal to 0. Change in that will be a 0. Okay. Sorry. That is not equal to 0. I have not claimed that is 0. Okay. Sorry if I write it. But change in the change must be a 0. And this means that is the stationary. Yeah, this is a Hamilton principle. Now question is that why this change is 0? Why action is stationary? Yes. Why I am claiming that action must be a stationary? क्यों होना चाहिए? But why? Yes. You are right. That is good question. Actually, D means infinitesimal small. Mostly books, some books use D. You are right. Some books, but mostly books use the virtual because it is also infinite, not infinite. It is also very small, but it definite small, not infinitesimal small, not approach to 0. Mean इसको we use it to be a careful only. ठीक है? I mean the properties of this is like a total derivative D. Okay. But when this change approach to 0, okay, absolutely 0, then that will be defined as a D. Okay. And so the change which absolutely approach to 0, that will be defined as a D. But if there is some limitations, if that is definite, not infinitesimal, then we use this virtual. But you may use, some books use this D, I agree. But mostly books use this, mostly research papers and mostly books use this because we must be careful about that. Okay, so that's why. Okay. In quantum mechanics, because we ignored some such things, that's why we usually use the D. Okay, but in classical mechanics, things are observable and we may be careful, so that's why we use the virtual displacement mostly. Okay. Yes. Now question is that why action must be a stationary? For mass moving in a plane, okay, what will be happen? For example, अच्छा इतना भी मेरा ख्याल है मैंने ज़्यादा ही सिंपल कर दिया है. Not stationary. I must use the action must be stationary, globally stationary. That actual word is globally stationary. Okay. So actually, Hamilton principle is that action must be globally, not locally. Not locally, ठीक है? It is not locally stationary, but globally. Okay. Now, what is the meaning? Now, leave it. Our actually question is why this happened and why this is happened. Okay. For example, if this is let's suppose this is the initial point. This is your home. This is your university, and this is the class of the classical mechanics or theoretical physics. Okay. You start from moving this point. Okay, and you move from here to reach this class, to take this class. Okay, we know that initial point is this. We know this. This is a initial, your home. This is a point. This is Q naught. This is QF. Okay. Now question is, if you are path, is there any condition? आप यहाँ से यहाँ आने के लिए कोई कंडीशन होगी कि कैसे जाना है, स्ट्रेट पाथ पे जाना है या is there any condition? Okay. Yes. Is there any condition? क्या है? There is a no condition. We can never predict that someone take any specific path. Someone may move straight forward. आप सीधा भी यूनिवर्सिटी आ सकते हो, रास्ते में गुलछड़े आते हुए भी आ सकते हो, ठीक है? रास्ते में देयर आर मेनी हर्डल, मतलब बाद का आप किसी को देखने के लिए रुक जाते हो, ठीक है? देयर आर मेनी, हर बंदे के एक अलग शौक है, अलग, ठीक है? कोई काफी पी के आ रहा है, कोई कैफे से होके आ रहा है, ठीक है? सब अपनी फंक्शन पे एंजॉय करते हुए, कोई कहाँ जा रहा है, कोई कहाँ जा रहा है, ठीक है? कोई सुबह 6 बजे ही निकल गया, ठीक है? तो रास्ते में उसकी कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि क्या होता है. बट वी नो दैट इनिशियली आप यहाँ थे एंड फाइनल इस पॉइंट पे, इस टाइम पे इधर थे और इस टाइम पे इधर थे, ये तो पता है, बट इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पता, ठीक है? हर लड़के ने अपना अपना. सो यू मे take any type of path. Okay. So there is no condition on the path. So it is not possible to define which path you will be choose. Okay. You take any one of path from infinite number of paths, but still there is some condition. There is a trick, one trick. वो क्या trick है? नो नहीं, अभी तो ऐसा क्या वहां सोचते रहोगे कि ग्लोबली मेरा एक्शन 0? नॉट पॉसिबल. नहीं, ग्लोबली 0 होगा, बट वाई होगा, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं. एक्चुअली व्हेन यू मूव, आप इस पे इफ आई ड्रा अ लाइन, इफ आई ड्रा अ लाइन, actually we draw the line in space-time curve, so that's why I want to little bit change this line to explain it. Okay, so such like path. If I draw a parallel line, this TOF, this is T naught. Initial time means 6 PM पे 6 AM पे आप निकले and 9 PM पे आप क्लास में पहुंच गए. Okay. There is no condition on the path. Path may be a vary, but there is a condition that at one time, एक वक्त में, if I draw a perpendicular line at any place, it touches this line only once. Why it will touches once? No. Kyun? Why? Because at one time you will be at one place. You will be not at a two place. It is not possible you will be here and here. At one time, if you are here, then you will be here. If you are here, then you will be here. Okay? Oh, yes, you may claim that. Mentally I was there and physically I was there. But I am talking about only the physically, okay, not mentally. You may claim that at this moment I am in the classroom, but mentally I am in the cafeteria and taking tea with someone. Okay. But physics is talking about only the physical, not mental. Okay, mental. So, since at one time you make you will be only the 1 point, not the 2 point. Okay. So, if there are infinite number of paths, if we consider the change in globally change, if we draw a path that are the different path, let's suppose. So you will be remain at, you will be stick. If this is the original path, then these will be you will not choose. You will be not on this path. You may be here or here or here or here, but at one time you will be at one point, and that will be continuous. You will not jump here. Means यहाँ से जो इस कमरे से तीसरे कमरे में jump कर जो बीच में से path. You have to travel along the path. Okay. So path is important. Okay. So this is the condition. If the path is important. Okay. Let's suppose I choose this is the original. This is graph between, let's suppose this is a Q and this is a time. Okay. That is plus Q, this is a minus Q. Okay. Let's suppose this is your initial, sorry, not initial, I have right here the initial, must write, no, इसको रहने दो, ठीक है. That is true, but because I want to specify, this is original point, let's suppose this is a constant point, ठीक है. That's not constant, mean मैंने किसी time t पे, चलो इसको not ही रहने दो, ठीक है, q not, और इसको q f ही रहने दो जैसे आप लेते हैं, इसको q I ले लो, let's suppose this is a कोई खास पॉइंट, ठीक, एट किसी पॉइंट पे q3 समझ लो, q4 समझ लो, q5 समझ लो, ताकि आप यहाँ भी हो सकते हो. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप यहाँ भी हो सकते हो, 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 यहाँ भी हो सकते हो. यू मे बी एनीवेयर एट टाइम t. ये कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम है ti. अब किसी स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे किसी खास पॉइंट पे खड़े. ओके ओके. If this is a qi, what will be this point? This is t1. Okay. This will be ti. Okay. This will be time is same. Okay. This is the actual time. This is the actual position. Okay. At time. ti. Okay, this is actual. And there are many, there are many paths. आप यहाँ से भी आ सकते थे, यहाँ से भी आ सकते थे. But if you choose the one point, then you will be at one point. You may be here, but actually you are here. Okay, you have chosen this point. Yeah. At ti, at 6, at roundabout at 8 a.m. you was at qi point. Okay. If I add something, that will be qi toi plus this q this q I t plus some constant. This will be number. Okay, that will be a c and this will be also a function of this term. Okay, ti. Okay, I suppose this is c1. I suppose there is another time that is qi ti plus c2t. Okay, and here you may see that say that this is qi minus c3t. Okay. Yes. Yeah, maybe. I mean, C is constant. That may be a 3, 4, 5, any number. Okay. But it will be also a function of this Ti. Okay. So in this way, you may Qi Ti plus minus C4, yeah, C5T. Okay. Okay. So as we know that when we multiply constant with the constant, the result will be a new constant. Okay. So if I replace this qi, that may be replaced with qi plus minus 3 is new constant, that is let's suppose that is c6t. Okay. May I write it? Okay. And I write this is qi ti plus c70. Okay, the c7 is new constant. That does not mean the number 1, 2, 3, 4, but that means that may be any arbitrary constant. Okay. So there are many possibilities of the path. That path may be this. There are many infinite paths. But fortunately, we may live only on the we may only choose one path at one time. That is not possible. At the same time, you will be at the two different positions. Okay. So using this principle, if they are different path, different points, if this action, one action, the action is line integral. Okay. This is the actual point. Okay. The action that will be function of q and q dot dt. Initial t and final. T mean कोई भी final point आप कर सकते हो यहाँ भी ठीक है. That's why I have written only t. So I have started from the t as a final, but after that I have chosen t. Okay. So this will be if this is actual point. Okay. And these are all the unexpected. These are the different varying paths. Possible varying paths. I mean a little bit distortion. Okay. That will be the time is same. Initial and final point will be same. Okay. The time is same, but no action is different. I mean for different paths that are in combined form or in a general form, I may write that is actually Lagrangian, means initial position and final. Okay. Okay, sorry. This nu is at different form. Yeah, here this is q. Here q is qi is actually the sorry. Q जो different है qm is qi plus qi is also function of time. Qm is also function of time. Okay, function of time, not functional of time. Okay. Function of time. Position is changing with respect to time. Say at 6 p.m. you are at different position. At 7 p.m. you are at different position. At 8 p.m. you are at a different position. At 9 p.m. you have at the final destination. Okay. So position is changing with respect to time. Okay. So this Qm is the Qi plus, I have generally defined, that is the T. Okay. Got it? No, yes, you may write if that is Ti. Okay. But you may write a T because you are writing the general. Okay. Okay. So, and when you take the derivative, that will be, if you take the derivative with respect to T, both are the function of time. That means that all will be derivative of time. And no, I'm not fixing it. This Cm is the point at specific position. ये भी उसी position का ही function होगा. असल में हम globally साथ ले रहे हैं. Actually, that if that is changing with respect to time, the C will be also changing with respect to time. And this is not constant like you are considering. This is the constant which are adding on this. This is constant along the that line. Okay? But if this Q is varying, then this constant will be also varying. Okay? Got it? Okay? You are my good student, so that's why it's my duty. जब तक तुम्हें समझ आ जाए मैं आगे ना चलूं. ठीक है? समझ आइए? Actually, if it is constant, then it will be also constant. This is the varying with this time. If I considering the different points actually. Okay, so got it. So if you will not satisfy, I must not move forward. Okay. So this will be also the. Okay, this will not. Okay. So if this is Lagrangian, this is actual action, okay? So this is initial. Sorry, if I is taken the I, this I must write I, and this will be Qi plus Cmt, okay? Plus, sorry, Q dot I plus these are the function of time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Have you got it? Okay, and these are the actual path. These are the different possible paths. Okay, and the variation must be a very small. Okay, approach to mean आप बहुत large नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत की आप variation कीजिए. So Sm minus Si Smt minus Sit. That will be okay. Not that will be delta, so different. But if this change is very small, that change must be a very small. CMT must approach to 0, mean we considering very close point. Okay, and then and that must be equal to 0. Yes. And so functional of, sorry, must be function. Action must be functional and C may be function. Okay. C will be function and action will be function. Okay. So this action will be 0. So this is action must be a globally stationary. There is no change in action. You will be at one point at one time. Okay. It is not possible you are jumping at different positions. Okay. Have you ever seen a Pink Panther? Okay. You are not jumping, but Pink Panther is also choose some path. That is not possible. At one time it is here and then they disappear and goes to the other. Okay. This is not cartoon film. Okay. Okay, I think everything is clear. Okay. These are all about the concept. Now we will do the mathematics, simple mathematics. Okay. And we suppose we always do exercises and theorems and so you have action that is function of time that will be T naught to T, the Lagrangian, which is function of position and velocity, and that is the line integral. So, oh, sorry, that I again forgot that must be a change. This I have put the value QI. Yes, you are right. Actually, you are right. Actually, this was like QM dot. Oh, sorry, QM and as a function of T and QM dot T. Okay, and then I put the values. Okay, but I have tried to put exactly to save my time and okay, but anyway, I have to waste the time. I always, whenever I try to remove some steps and try to save my time, but always I have to do and I have to repeat that steps. Okay, so I think I must avoid such type of activities in lecture. So actually this is this, and then when I put these values and this gets dy dt. What? Yes, dt. Yes, you are right. Okay. Okay. So this is action. Okay. This change is actually the change. This variation is where is graph? This variation is in the yes. There is not variation in this variation is not in time. This variation is in position. Okay. Yes. So this integration is with respect to time, so there may be an interchange with it because both are independent. Okay. So may I write? If you allow me, I may write in this way. Okay. Q and Q dot dt. Okay. This derivative will be applied on this, not this dt. Okay. Okay. They may be interchanged. Okay. Again and again, one thing, if the L is changing, if L is function of alpha and beta, if F is function of alpha beta, what is the derivative? I have already explained it many times. If L is function of position and velocity, then the change will be equal to partial L over Q, partial L over partial Q dot, and there must be a indices. Okay, this must be an indices free, and that there must be indices. Okay. 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 What is this? Q dot is time derivative with respect to position. So may I write, if you allow me, may I write it in this way? May I write in this way? I may write in this way, and also with this way too. Yeah, that's depend upon what terminology you are using. Your question that why we are using the total derivative or virtual. That's up to you. Okay. So in some books we use the total derivative, but actually we are using the virtual displacement. That's why we will use the okay. So this will be your result. Okay. Okay. So if this is equation X, I will put all these values in equation X. If I put this in equation X, mean if this if I put this value in this, okay, you will get that this variation in action that will be T1, T2, oh sorry, T dot to T, okay, and you will get partial L over partial QK plus partial L over partial QK dot this. Okay, and now we consider this. Firstly, we try to solve it. Okay. Okay. We take integration T1 T naught to T. If this is a first function and this is a second function, we have to integrate by parts. Okay. How we integrate it? First function has it minus S प्लस फर्स्ट एज इट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड डी टी ओके डी टी से कैंसल, तो इंटीग्रेट लेंगे डेल्टा डी की रिस्पेक्ट आ जाएगा नहीं एक वन मिनट फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट yes if we take integration then that will be okay delta q minus t1 t naught to t and sorry limit is t naught to t, yes, derivative of first डेरिवेटिव किसके रिस्पेक्ट, सॉरी क्योंकि इंटीग्रेटिंग इज इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, यस ओके, किसका, फर्स्ट का, यस derivative of first with respect to time because integration is with respect to time, okay, and second as it, so you are right, ये integrate कर दिया ना, yes you are right, okay, I got it, I got your point, you want to say integrate it again, ऐसे ना, okay, you want to say that yes, the first has it, the integration of second, this, and this is equal to, नहीं ऐसे, so integration, first derivative of first, integration of second with respect to time. So when you take the integration of second, okay, that is the you are right, integration of the second, that is when you take the integration with respect to second, that is the delta q k over delta t dt, and when you integrate it, and this will be the result, okay, this, okay, so this will be if I write, this will be delta q k, okay, I have already. Okay, so you will get partial L over partial QK dot QK minus T1 T2 T naught to T minus total derivative partial L over partial QK dot delta q, okay, you will get this final result, okay, yes, ये इधर क्या आना चाहिए, फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव ले रहे हो, फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज, अच्छा इसकी बात कर रहे हो, इसकी बात कर, ये या ये वाला dt से, ये टोटल डेरिवेटिव है ना आपका, ये dt से कैंसिल हो, हाँ ये इंटीग्रल से कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना, ये रिजल्ट आ नहीं ये मतलब टोटल डेरिवेटिव हम एक जैसा ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, एक्चुअली मैंने कहा कि हम वर्चुअल डिस्प्लेसमेंट टोटल डेरिवेटिव dt ओवर dt दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, नहीं समझ आए, इंटीग्रल के साथ आया लेकिन ये कैंसिल हो गया तो आपके पास ये डेल्टा बचा ना, हाँ ये टोटल डेरिवेटिव है, ठीक है, Actually, I know, okay, what is the confusion point? Is actually confusing point is कि हम दो चीजों को यानी एक्चुअली हम प्रॉब्लम पता क्या कर रहे हैं, अगर आप इसको इस तरीके से कंसिडर कर लो ना तो मेरा ख्याल है आपका सारा मसला हल हो जाएगा। या तो इंसानों को डीटी लो, अब आपको चलो इस तरह मेरा ख्याल है आपका मसला हल हो जाएगा। अब ठीक है, अब मेरा ख्याल है मसला हल हो जाएगा। अब ठीक है, ठीक है। आप ग्लोबली, क्योंकि बहुत सी बुक्स जो है इस तरह भी लिखती है इस तरह, अब डीटी की जगह ना इस तरह ले लो, अगर आप ये ले रहे हैं आप ये यूज कर लो, आपका सिंप्लीफिकेशन। नाउ यू गॉट इट, नाउ यू आर सेटिस्फाइड। ओके, एक्चुअली समझने वाली बात नहीं है कि टोटल डेरिवेटिव और वर्चुअल डिस्प्लेसमेंट में ना कंफ्यूजन हो रही है कि ठीक है, इसको आप दोनों को आप या तो टोटल डेरिवेटिव यूज कर लो या वर्चुअल डिस्प्लेसमेंट यूज कर लो। ठीक है, आपने वर्चुअल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, अब तो डी टी से कैंसिल हो रहा है वाज़ेह नजर। ठीक है, सो देन दैट विल बी क्लियर। ओके ओके, अच्छा एक मिनट, नाउ व्हाट इज हैपन, दिस इज लिमिट इज एट दिस चेंज इन क्यू इज एट टी नॉट एंड टी। Okay, mean if I consider this first term, that will be equal to partial L over partial QK dot. Okay, this will be at QK at final point, ठीक है, and this is at the QK at initial point. And minus something is the total derivative, that is T naught to T, T naught to T, that is the partial L over partial QK dot QK. Okay. Initial, at initial, what is the Hamilton principle? Globally stationary. And change in initial and initially and final point, that will be the locally zero. Okay, because initial and final point is fixed, so there is no variation again. So actually Hamilton principle state that the action will be globally zero, but along with initial and final point, that will be the locally zero. Okay. Because initial and final point पे we know that you are in a classroom, रास्ते में आपने कुछ किया वो मुझे हमें नहीं पता, ठीक है, बट आपको पता है सुबह 8 बजे आप घर से निकले थे और सुबह 6 बजे घर से निकले थे और 9 बजे आप क्लासरूम थे। सो इनिशियल, तो सो वेरिएशन इन इनिशियल पॉइंट दैट इज जीरो एंड वेरिएशन इन फाइनल पॉइंट दैट विल बी अ जीरो। Okay. So this term will become a 0. This is 0, this is 0. This 0 and this 0. So you will get the, actually you will get the result, that is minus QK dot, if I say that this is Y, okay, and okay, this will be the result. This and put it into the into equation y. When you put it into equation y, you will get that this action that will be T1, T2, partial L over partial cube K minus Okay, and this is equal to 0. Since this all case for we have already explained, this is the generalized coordinate, and we have already explained that all generalized coordinate are a good coordinate. If all generalized coordinate is a good coordinate, then it means they will be independent. If they are independent, then you may compare the coefficient, and integrand will be a 0. Okay, since these are the different case 1, 2, 3, and all are independent, so integrand will be 0 or disappear. Okay, so we may write in this way that partial L over partial QK minus P by T, partial L over partial QK, that will be equal to 0. And if I write in this way, one minute only. Okay, only writing answer. Okay, so if I multiply both sides with minus sign, may I write in this way? Okay, partial L over partial QK dot minus partial L over partial QK, that will be equal to 0. And this is Euler-Lagrangian equation. So Euler-Lagrangian equation is true for conservative force as well as a non-conservative force. Okay, for today it is enough, I think. Okay, good.